Wow.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. And to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome to Hazel's Emporium. So for today's video everyone, I am doing another unboxing, a sponsored video from a company named Drawelry. And this is a jewelry company, and this is a very good timing guys, because I am going for a dinner. Obviously I do have my mini Barbie dress on, so I am going to unbox this and I am going to use this in my dinner date. Hope to see you in the inside of this video too, please. Thank you. So let's open up this guys. Hard box. I am super excited. This comes like this, and this is a customized with my face on in this. So I have the necklace and a bracelet that I will be using for tonight's dinner. Okay, so you can have their jewelry in any occasion, like anniversary, a gift for a friend, a gift for your loved ones, Christmas gift, Valentine's gift. Name the occasion, they will customize your jewelry from them. So I got a sterling silver round pendant, and I have the bracelet, personalized photo projection design bracelet with the diamonds on it with my face, of course, and see how that looks. Looks super. It is very decent guys. You can wear this in any occasion, you know, Christmas, all time occasion, I would say. It looks good on me too. And they're also customizing home and living. They can put whatever request we are, or whatever wish we wanted to put in the lamps, blanket, pillows, ornaments, kitchen. If we wanted to put a name or a face, they will customize that depending on our wish. So, and we also have an apparel, which is, this is very trendy guys. Like if we wanted to have our face to both couples, well, they can put that on our on a t-shirt or a cup or a gift for our loved ones. They will customize depending on our wish. So this is the best store to reach out. I will put the link below, and just for the perfect detail and information, go over to the description below on this video. So I guess I have to heads up for my dinner, and Babu, see you next time. Thank you.